Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
मोले अभयारण्यातल्यान वतल्या रेल्वे डबल ट्रॅकाचेर एक्टिविस्टांनी आवाज चोडोवंक सुरू केला. सगळे ग्रीन एक्टिविस्टांनी संघटना एकठांय कोर्टात गेल्या उपरांत आतां गोंयांत कोळसो नाका म्हूण स्वतंत्र आंदोलन उबारपाची एक्टिविस्टांची तयारी. वास्कोसान कुडचड्यार मेरेन रेल्वे लायन वतल्या मतदारसंघातल्या लोकांक घेवन संघटना उबी जाता.
We as citizens, this is our money and therefore have to do everything necessary to protect our interests, our national interests. Therefore, we are all demanding that these ongoing works must all be stopped. You know, there are many reasons the wildlife sanctuaries, the protected areas cannot be touched. All of the Goan people are up in arms to say that we don't want this double tracking. We don't want this coal transportation for which the project is obviously being carried out at the cost of our money, our public funds.
एक्टिविस्ट मुरगांवचा आमदार मिलिंदाकूय वचून मेळ्ळे. तो खंय जॉबाच्योच गजाली करता.
तुम्ही काबार करा तुम्ही 2 दीस बॉम्ब मारताना नाच जातले मळ्यात आणून भरून कोल काबार जाना घरामध्ये पीपल वर्किंग आल्सो तेंचे पोटाचे पळया रेकॉर्ड नाव ही रेकॉर्डिंग यू शुड आस्क मी एंड रेकॉर्ड एक उडात दो यू हैव टू आस्क मी एंड देन रेकॉर्ड इफ यू डोंट वांट विल डिलीट नो दैट इज ऑन डिलीटिंग इट व्हाट ही शुड हैव मैनेज टू रेकॉर्ड इट.
कोळशा आड सुरवाती सावन आवाज काडटा ती कुट्टाची आमदार अलिना. तिने विषय मुख्यमंत्र्या मेरेनूय व्हेलो. तो विरोधकांच्या दाव्यांचे पुरावे सोदता.
Which will cause destruction at different levels. And we have also spoken to the Honorable Chief Minister. The Chief Minister has also requested us to do something that will be like evidence of what we are talking about.
नुयेचो आमदार बाबाशानान एक्टिविस्टांचे आयकून घेतले. कुडचडचो आमदार मंत्री खंय म्हणटा कोळसो आयात जावची ना. फुडल्या 10 वर्सांचे नवे प्रोजेक्शन दाखयता मागीर कितें ते थारायात.
And I explained to them and I asked them time की त्यांचे जे कॉन्सेप्ट आसा की गोंयान कोल हब जातलो हांवें ताका एक्सप्लेन केला हाव दे अंडरस्टूड इट फॉर देम. येस ते रिपोर्ट दाखयता ते 2012 ते 17 तेन्ना आत्मनिर्भर भारत देश म्हणजे सेल्फ लँड इंडिया वॉज नॉट देर. टुडे इंडिया वॉन्ट्स टू बी सेल्फ लँड आणि डोंट वॉन्ट टू इम्पोर्ट एनी कोल. Orissa already there are so many coals. India is the highest, which is one of the highest countries with natural resources of coal, which government of India wants to exploit. Once this is exploited, there is no question of demand of importing. That is called self-reliant India. So I have told them, give me a few days. I will show you the new projection because you are relying on projection of 2012 and 17, 12 to 17. So I told them we will keep whatever is happening, whether it is Tamnar land coming to Goa, whether it is double tracking, the impression under them is very coal at Loani home. I don't say no. 51 million tons is projected, which is there, what is there. But I told them when moment India becomes self-reliant on coal, automatically there will be no imports of coal. So why are you worried? So for them I asked them some time, I will give the fresh details of it today, of what is happening in the next 10 years in India, and based on that you can take a call.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.